Navigating is an activity full of romantic connotations. Since a long time ago, the sea has suggested to man pictures of adventure. Nowadays, recreational navigation is a pastime somewhere between leisure and sport. It is an exciting activity that wins over more and more people every day. To sail a leisure boat has become a pleasure far from the original concept of navigation, of adventure and luck. The navigator of the 21st century demands strong, highly reliable and extremely secure vessels from the mechanical and functional point of view. Paradoxically, the experience of navigating, much conditioned in the past by the fanciful seas and winds, starts with a process where nothing is left to chance: the construction of the boat in the shipyard. Asfibe Yacht is a branch of the naval section of the Grupo Orero. The company develops its work from a global concept that embraces all the aspects related to the naval industry, from the building of a boat to all the different works of repair and maintenance. Asfibe started in 1999 after almost a century of experience as a mechanical workshop for nautical repair works. Today, it is a consolidated business completely established in the international naval industry. In Benicarló, the Grupo Orero manages one of the most important shipyards in the Mediterranean. Naval construction is technique, work, and competence. To build a boat includes several procedures that involve multiple steps subject to strict controls. From this point of view, the Grupo Orero has more than 18 years of experience dedicated to the construction of fishing vessels. This background offers a guarantee of reliability, a foothold in the sector, and business competence. Asfibe is a Mediterranean shipyard that has built the most fishing vessels in Spain. Up to today, more than 300 boats have been built and assembled on these premises. Today, the orders are not only limited to the national market. Ship owners from France, Italy, Algeria and Portugal are some of the shipyard's usual customers. The extent of production of Asfibe has made Benicarló a reference point in the international fishing industry. It is precisely the ample experience in the building of fishing vessels of the Grupo that has opened the doors to a new challenge: the leisure boat. The building of a fishing vessel requires applying strict standards of mechanical security, endurance, and reliability. Under these terms, the building of a leisure boat requires the same demands, and Asfibe plays with advantage. Three factors play an important part when it comes to measure the work capabilities of a shipyard: the travel lift, the size of the installations, and the quantity and qualification of its workforce. The travel lift of Asfibe allows for the handling of boats of up to 220 tons and 9 meters of beam. The capacity of the machine is an optimum guarantee regarding the building of leisure boats. The total area occupied by the different work sections of the shipyard amounts to a total of 12,000 square meters. This overall area, along with the layout of the buildings, allows for an excellent operational capability. All the Asfibe workforce have been carefully selected. They are highly qualified professionals, conscious of their essential role in the company. There is nothing left to chance or improvisation at Asfibe. All productive processes are a well-oiled mechanism geared towards quality, detail, and productivity. Today, 250 workers are part of ASFIBE. ASFIBE also has a dry dock able to assume all the operations of these services. The advanced work techniques used in ASFIBE derive from its ample experience in the building of fishing vessels. The infusion technique applied in the shipyard is based on the injection of resin by means of a vacuum procedure. The operating capacity of the shipyard is such that this can be applied to parts of larger sizes. This operation makes the vessel 30% lighter, and it increases its mechanical endurance by 40%. The mechanical workshop at ASFIBE has been conceived like a factory divided into different departments. Here is the section where diesel engines and gearboxes are being repaired. In the boiler shop section, they build all the pieces needed in iron or other metals, like polished stainless steel. In the machining department, they make all the precision parts made to measure. This section works with parts of larger sizes. It is in the technical offices of ASFIBE where the brains of the company are located. This department makes feasible any design or idea while making sure of respecting the standards of quality, security, and reliability. This ability of processing allows for the construction of tailor-made boats, one-offs, or boats customized to the client's taste. This is the first big yacht built by ASFIBE Yacht. It was an order made by the Port Authority of the city of Valencia for the America's Cup. This was a massive project where ASFIBE made use of all its experience in the fishing area. The boat is, in fact, a passenger ship with a capacity for 60 people with all that entails. Behind this boat's deck is an extraordinary work of engineering and mechanics, along with the application of advanced production processes. The boat was used for the monitoring of the sailing ship that participated in the America's Cup, and also to transport officials and guests to this important worldwide nautical competition. The vessel reflects the ability of ASFIBE as a yacht and leisure boat builder. ASFIBE has been able to win the challenge hands down. Its operative capability, along with its experience in the fishing area, did not suggest otherwise from the start. The boat, with an overall length of 28 meters and a 7-meter beam, glides through the waves. The picture not only reveals an imposing boat, but also the rigorousness of its build, because ASFIBE Yacht works on firm principles. Some professionals in the same industry would contemplate the work as an adventure with an uncertain end, yet ASFIBE builds boats. And it does so from the initial idea until the boat's launching, applying strict constructive criteria and with the economic security that is a guarantee of the Grupo Herrero. ASFIBE Yacht. We build yachts.